Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So what you will need is spritz, glue, black strips, rubber bands, scissors, one pack of braiding hair, and I'm using the color number 4. And I'm also using pre-twist, deep twist, T30. Okay. Alright, so I have my braiding hair. This is what it looks like. Alright, so I'm about to get my scissors and I'm going to cut the rubber band off. Now I'm not going to use all of this hair. I'm just going to use a very little. Alright. Because I'm going to cut it in half anyway. So, going to use this much of hair. So this is how I want it to be. Alright, so I have my braiding hair. Okay, so I'm going to braid my natural hair right along with the braiding hair. Okay. Alright, so I'm getting my black strips. Okay, I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. Okay, and get a few rubber bands. Now this is going to be for height, okay? So you get your scissors, and I'm going to cut to right here. Make sure you do not cut your hair. You get a rubber band and just put the rubber band at the end of your braid, okay? And it should be looking like this. Alright, so I had put one strip on the other side of my ponytail at the end. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I have my little ponytail, curly ponytail. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty color. Alright, so these are very, very thin tracks, but I can work with it. Okay, here you're gonna need your glue. Alright. Alright, so get your glue. And I think that this is the easiest way is just to put the glue Make sure the hair don't get tangled when you're doing it. Okay. Alright, so basically you're just gonna wrap the hair around your ponytail. I'll finish the rest off camera. Alright, so you get this here. You're going to wrap the hair around your ponytail. Then you get a hairpin. Then just pin it. Alright, so this is the finished look. Alright, so this hairstyle took me 30 to 45 minutes to do by myself. So make sure you get you some mousse to put on your ponytail and some spritz to spray your natural hair. Alright, so let me show you guys a closer look of this hairstyle. Alright, so this is the front, side, in the back. Alright, now, one thing that I do not like about this Freatress Ponytail Deep Wave, but this right here is so thin, I cannot stand it, alright? But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.